y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together. Wait, we on now?
Oh, shit.
Okay.
I was like, meh.
Right.
Alrighty, man.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We are back. It's 2025. You know, take that for you, what you want it to.
Yeah.
But we're back here. We're here, okay? Hey, y'all. Whoa. Oh, man.
This is gonna be an interesting month.
This is gonna be interesting. We decided to start this year off
with a bang.
With a bang. I don't know if it's kind of inspired by the fact that 2025 is looking a little interesting, or what really our emphasis was. But the point is, we're starting off with a bang. And this segment we are dubbing BWAF.
BWAF, darling.
Which stands for, boy, we are
Yeah, pretty much. That's the tone for the remainder of the year, just about.
You know.
Yeah. 4 years. But hey, who's counting?
You know, do you. That should be the motto. Do you.
But I don't want to do me anymore. But we're committed.
Well,
we're gonna do this.
However it works for you. So that is kind of the premise, but the inspiration is also a result of past beverages we have tried that we found despicable.
Oh my goodness.
For various reasons, okay?
My throat, my mouth. This is not
your
an Airbnb.
neck, your back.
All of that.
Okay.
Airbnb won't be this year, or at least not this segment.
Yeah. So we're gonna kick things off with one of our favorites called the Franklin. All right. So this, if you will recall, takes us back to, it's basically a version of a dirty martini. Okay. That's what you need to know. And you know how Brittany feels about things that are dry. So, she's probably not gonna like this.
No, I didn't like it before.
I didn't like it before. My main issue with not liking it before is because of the olive brine, right? I will start this off before we talk through the recipe and everything. If you're into these, you can make it as dirty as you want to. I know people love to get the blue cheese olives and you know, they're like, make it dirty. I'm like, okay, that's disgusting, bro.
That's not dirty, that's trifling. Whatever.
Anywho,
yeah,
we will be keeping it basic because basic is about all we can do, okay?
Bare minimum here.
So you're gonna start off with a dry gin.
Okay.
We're gonna use Beefeater today.
Oh, it's getting terrible.
It's a traditional London dry gin. I think when we first did this, we did Bombay. Whatever your dry gin of choice, that's what you use. Well, you're gonna use a dry vermouth. And we have our green olives, and there's olive juice in here that we'll be, you know, dealing with. In terms of equipment, we have a shaker with ice, okay? And we have our martini glasses that are currently chilling. And so we might as well just do this. All right.
Let's just, you know.
So that starts off with 1.5 ounces of our dry gin. I would tell you to do whatever the ancestors tell you. If dry martinis are your thing or dirty martinis are your thing, then yeah, go with what the ancestors tell you. Otherwise, keep it cute. Oh God, I'm gonna make a mess. And I made a mess, okay.
That's 2 tablespoons?
No.
Oh, 1 tablespoon?
It's gonna spill. It's fine.
Okay, well, what am I supposed to be doing?
2 tablespoons. Because I really thought ahead there. And then when you're ready, you can pass me the, we'll get back to these.
Yeah, dry vermouth.
Yeah, the dry vermouth.
Oh, okay.
So it's also, can I see that lovely tablespoon?
Oh, yep.
It is also 1 tablespoon of the dry vermouth.
Good shit.
I don't know. What, you know, whatever.
Ancestors
Child.
are definitely enjoying this one.
As far as I'm concerned, the ancestors can also drink this because once we have this in here, we're ready to shake. So you know the deal, shake until chilled. We're gonna
pour.
dispose of our ice water. Oh. We will then pour our mixture into our, it stinks. Oh my God. Pour our mixture in here, and you know, wouldn't be a Franklin or a dirty martini without at least 1 olive garnish. So, you know, do that. Ew. It smells like booty.
You smell like salty balls.
Suck on my chocolate salty balls. Put them in your mouth. Put them in your mouth and suck them and suck them.
Okay, well, whatever. It stinks. I don't remember what this looked like last time, but this looks about right.
It's pretty clear. Almost.
I guess mine's dirtier because, you know, I had the little extra spillage.
Yeah.
Anyway, cheers.
Yeah. Nope. Nope. No, no ma'am, no sir. I think you put a little too much olive juice in yours because mine is like clear.
Yours is clear.
But still.
It's like salty, watery liquor.
No stocked up.
How y'all drink this? You start.
It's nasty. I don't like it. And I will not go back to this. I don't know who the Franklin is. If it was named after the president, I don't know. We can go back and do history later. But it's nasty. I don't know why it was named after whoever, whatever. Like, he had to have been a salty character. I don't care if he tasted salty.
Oh, wait,
he
why
was
are we
salty.
talking about
Added, I don't know, but he's very salty and nasty. Salty all the way around. And listen, let's just put it like this. He's not us. So there's that. I don't like this, and I'm going to give this. Can I go underneath the scale?
You know what? It's BWAF, so yeah.
Okay. It, YOLO. I'm giving this a negative 1,000. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't need this. I don't see the point of this. If I see you at the bar, you said, "Can I get a dirty martini?" or the Franklin or whatever, I'm gonna look at you sideways, because out of all the cocktails in the world, even the homemade joints, okay, off of TikTok, you choose a dirty martini. Something wrong with you. Mama didn't love you, daddy didn't love you, something. I'll pass. This is a no for me, dog. Your turn.
Well, that was explosive.
Well, I'm just saying. It's nasty.
This is dumpster fire trash. Listen, I know for a fact I didn't like it when we first tried it, and this is a confirmation for me. It's nasty. Yeah, mine got a little olivey, okay? It got olivey. Here's my thing.
Yeah.
For you people that love olive juice, this is a winner for you, okay? It ain't me. I'm not that person. I find olives repulsive, and I do not like olive juice. So I already knew this was a setup. Now, I'm not gonna come in here and say this is a negative 1,000 because I don't think that's realistic, but I can give it a 1.
Okay.
I can give it I'm gonna give it a half.
I would rather drink beer, so there.
And I love beer, so there's that.
Yeah.
Listen, to me, it just lacks character. I have no problem with a dry martini. I know you don't like dry, but I have no problem with like a dry you know, like a Vesper martini, okay? Which is just basically straight liquor anyway.
Serial killers drink this.
They probably do. This just, to me, it's nasty. It's giving, I feel like our grandparents might did this. You know, and I know it's weird. Like, I know my dad would probably drink this because I remember we would do like lunches and stuff, and he would order like a dirty martini, and he'd be like, "Yeah, gonna get it extra dirty with like the blue cheese olives." And sometimes the little garnishes would come with like salami and stuff. And I'm sitting here like, "Listen, are you getting a charcuterie board or a drink? Like, pick one. We don't need both because this is nasty."
Must have been at different times. Grew up in the wrong time era because I don't like this.
It's just, you guys, it's a no. Okay, but that aside, you know, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know. Are you a dirty martini fan? Because basically that's what the Franklin is, okay?
Yeah.
Are you a dirty martini fan? Are we tripping for our evaluation of this beverage? What is your opinion? And if you had to think of drinks within the realm of boy, we are like what type of drinks would you put in that category? You know what I'm saying?
Well, this should be in the category for sure.
Well,
I mean,
yeah.
And then it's not like we didn't keep an open mind. We tried it again just to make sure, you know.
The whole point of this segment is there were a list of cocktails that we immediately wrote off, and we're just like, was that just a first time feeling, or are we justified in our evaluation?
We got some education. We've done expanded our palate. We just figured maybe we just weren't, you know, there. But
no, we're there. We're there.
We're there.
We're there. This is trash. So we'll be back
for some more. Boy, we are.
Probably not as dry or as salty. Oh well, the next one might be salty.
Lord, look over us.
Anyways, yeah, we'll be back is our point. Don't forget to ring that bell so you know when the latest segments are coming out.
Boy, we are. And you will be in tune for it.
Yeah, you know, kick off 2025 in style. Or not, I don't know. We'll be back. Take one more sip.